Hello, my wonderful viewers. Thank you so much for always tuning in to Rebikit Foods, a channel of easy recipes, delicacies, African traditional recipes. So if you're new to this channel, please view this video, like, share, subscribe, and throw your comment as well. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. Thank you for always tuning into new videos. And remember also not to skip the ads. If you want to promote Rebikit Foods, don't skip at the ads. So guys, today I'm back with this recipe. As you know, this channel has amazing videos, and I always say that tasting is believing. Oh, I wish one of these fine days you taste these recipes from Rebikit Foods. So today I'm just want to do something for your supper, for your dinner, and this is grounded beef. In fact, I'm going to bake it, and I'm going to serve it with some rice and maybe some Kenyan kachumbari. So keep tuned and see. So just to introduce my ingredients for today, I have here my beef is here. I have my beef here. This is 500 grams of beef. I have grated carrots, have coriander leaves. I have here garlic, and I'm going to add some garlic powder to it. I have just red pepper, around green pepper, and these I've just created for English potatoes. I've just created them, and then salt to taste. So the spices I'm going to use, I just have paprika, black pepper, and onion spice. So if you wish, you can grate some onions, or you can use onion powder. So keep tuned. I will just start by adding salt to it first. After salt, this is call them English potatoes. So as you know, it has water. We are going to squeeze out the water, the excess water. Then we'll add it there. So I'll make sure you squeeze out everything. Grated carrots in here. My bell peppers, my garlic, then coriander, then I have my eggs here. So what I'll do, I'll mix up everything. So before I do that, I will add black pepper, paprika, onion powder, and then now I will mix up everything. So guys, this recipe is so nice. It's going to amaze you. Everything is mixed up well. Now we can add some little oil to it, vegetable oil, and then continue mixing. Keep tuned. And now I have my baking tray. I'll just add some little oil just to lubricate everything here. Then I will get my parchment paper as well. So I will also lubricate the inside part. So guys, so here this is where I'm going to bake my beef. So I will just take a portion of my beef of this size, then I'll make it in oval shape. I'll continue the same way. This is it now. We're just going to bake it at 100 degrees. So before I do that, I just want to make some simple cuts here. Just keep tuning. So I'll give it about 40 minutes at 180 degrees. So keep tuned. It's done. So you can see how amazing it looks. Looking so nice. Ooh. So you can use this recipe also as an appetizer. So case I will serve my meal here. Some cacciari. So this is my dinner for today. Guys, this is my meal for today. This is the beef that I've just baked down. White rice and kachumbari. So nice and tasty. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please try it out. So appetizing. Like, share, and let's meet in another video. Bye bye. Welcome.